5 online moneymakers in 2025. You're late if you're not doing number 3. 1. AI-powered product launches. Leverage AI to research, create, and market products faster than ever. From writing sales copy to building prototypes, AI tools are the new business partners. 2. Subscription micro-communities. People are paying for access, not just content. Create niche, paid communities on platforms like Discord, Geneva, or even private Telegram groups. 3. Faceless YouTube channels with AI automation. Use AI voices, stock footage, and auto-editing tools to run YouTube channels without showing your face, and still cash in on ad revenue and sponsorships. 4. Digital product ecosystems. Don't just sell an ebook. Build a funnel with courses, templates, and memberships. Platforms like Gumroad and Kajabi make it scalable from day one.